Hi guys, welcome back to Our Small Home Life. I am Haley and today we are going to just do a quick clean of the kitchen. As you can see, it's a little messy. I have never done a full clean with me of a room. I've done more of like a spot clean here and there. So today I decided I want to take you along with me as I tackle this space. So, there's really no other way to introduce this, right? Let's just get into it. If you like cleaning videos, please give this a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go clean.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
I love sun butter, and I picked up a new one because I prefer it on my toast, and this one is past date, and I just picked it up and it's 2 months past date. And I know it says sell by, but I don't know if anybody else is like me. I'm really particular with the dates, and if it says sell by, I won't use it. I mean, I won't use it after that date. So let me know if you're like me and you do the same thing.
Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
Also, we got two things in the mail today, so I wanted to just quickly share these with you. We got these Frozen where you can create your own ice pops. So the kids absolutely love ice pops, and who doesn't, right? It's summertime. It's nothing is more refreshing than an ice pop, but they can, I think these are pretty cheap, but it can be fun to make your own. So we grabbed these so that the kids can put fruit chunks in it if they wanted to, and sort of make their own, frozen pops, which I'm really excited about. There's 125 disposable ones, and it comes with a funnel. But we're also, my husband and I are going to make some adult only frozen pops, and we'll add in some something like Tito's or some maple bourbon or something like that. So I'm excited for that. Also, we grabbed this, which we have my mom's old air popper for popcorn. And what I wanted to do is be able to give that back to her, so when the kids are there at her house, they can have their own popcorn, but I wanted to have one for us. So this I grabbed off of Amazon. I'll link it down below for you. It was pretty inexpensive, so I was really excited about that price. But here, can you take this box, bud?
Yeah, sure.
So I liked that it was teal. I really wanted a pink one, I'm not gonna lie, but they didn't have a pink one. No, you can leave it right there. There. So that is the air popper. So I'm really excited. It's cute, it's sleek, and it's tiny enough that I'll be able to tuck it down into one of our cabinets in the island. So yeah, I can't wait to use it.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No.
All right, guys, so that is our clean kitchen. Now, as you can see, I do have interruptions. I do have 2 kids. We have a dog who likes to bark at every little sound. Snacks are needed, drinks are needed. I need a break sometimes, but it's easy. It's easy to clean and maintain because I try to stay on top of it as much as possible. I try to do 1 solid deep clean a week. I am back working now almost full time. So I have, if I'm lucky, 1 weekday that I can do that. And then sort of on the weekends is a little bit of a power clean. And the kids really like to get involved now as well. I didn't use the stainless cleaner on the stove, as you noticed, or may have noticed. I just didn't feel like cleaning it twice. I'll probably do a second clean on it later tonight. My husband's really good at, we have a glass top surface that he's really good at, a little bit more elbow grease than I have, so he can get that off of there for me. The other thing that I have done is on the butcher blocks, I do use the Young Living Thieves Cleaner. I don't know if there's something else that's better for butcher block. So if you have any suggestions for cleaning butcher block, let me know, because I want to really make sure that we're maintaining those. We chose to go with butcher block knowing that they were more of a high maintenance surface, but they were more cost friendly at the time of doing that. That is it though. If you guys have any questions about anything that I did or used or have throughout the video, let me know. Please give that video a thumbs up, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so you can get notice every time we do a future upload. YouTube thinks you will like this video. I'm sure you will as well, guys. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye. I did good.